To start live trading on cex.io broker, you'll need to deposit funds to your account. You can transfer funds from your cex.io account or deposit to your cex.io broker account directly. Both options are quick and easy. To transfer funds from your cex.io wallet, go to the deposit menu in the upper right corner of your account, select Deposit from cex.io account, enter the amount to send and press deposit. Deposits from cex.io accounts are instant and free. If you don't have Bitcoin to fund your account, you can easily buy some for fiat money on cex.io and then transfer it to your cex.io broker account. To fund your cex.io broker account directly, go to the Account Management menu, select the account you want to fund and press the deposit button. After that, you'll need to select your country of residence, familiarize yourself with the warning message and accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to choose the correct country of residence. At the next step, you'll find your deposit address. Copy it and paste it as the recipient address in your external wallet and transfer the funds to your cex.io broker account. At the moment, only Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals are available on cex.io broker. However, you can trade using a demo account and have full access to all the trading tools and features. Enjoy your trading experience with cex.io broker.